Now the next question is question number 37. Which one is wrongly matched? We have to select the wrong match. Gemma cups. Gemma cups are small receptacles. Yes. This is a thallus of Mercantia. This is the dorsal side. This is the ventral side. Dorsal is the upper one. Ventral is the lower one. Ventral side has rhizoids. The dorsal side has small receptacles called Gemma cups, which have asexual buds called gemmae. So this option is correct. Biflagellate zoospores are found in brown algae. Yes, the zoospores are pear-shaped or piriform shaped. They have two flagella on the lateral side. One is short, one is long. So biflagellate zoospores, this option is also correct. Uniflagellate gametes found in Polysiphonia. No, Polysiphonia is a red algae. Red algae show aplanetism. The gametes are non-motile as well as the spores are non-motile. So this is incorrect. Chlorella is a unicellular green algae also used as space food. So this option is correct. That means the correct option here is option number 3. So the correct answer is third option. Next one, after karyogamy followed by meiosis, the spores are produced exogenously. Exo means outside a sac-like structure. Now we have Saccharomyces, that is yeast, and Neurospora. Both of them belong to Ascomycetes, and in Ascomycetes, ascospores are formed, but ascospores are formed endogenously inside the sac-like structure. Alternaria belongs to Deuteromycetes, where sexual reproduction is absent, so there is no question of meiosis and karyogamy there. When we talk about Agaricus, Agaricus is mushroom which belongs to the class Basidiomycetes. Here on the basidium there are projections, outgrowths called sterigmata, where basidiospores are seen. So basidiospores are found on the tip outside the sac-like structure. So exogenously they are formed. The correct answer is Agaricus. Winged pollen grains. Pollen grains में wings कहाँ होते हैं? Pinus की तो seeds भी winged होती हैं, लेकिन pollen grains भी winged होते हैं. देखिए यहाँ, ये है intine. Pollen grain की दो walls होती हैं और बाहर वाली क्या होती है? Exine. तो exine की extensions होती हैं ये wings. ये है pinus का pollen grain, which are the wings are the extensions of the layer exine, जिसमें दो prothalial cells होते हैं. Prothalial cells जो degenerate कर जाते हैं, they don't have any function. Then we have one tube cell and then we have another one generative cell. The tube cell forms the pollen tube and the generative cell will further form the male gametes. So in pinus, the pollen grains are winged. तो अगला क्वेश्चन जो हम देख रहे हैं, which among the following is not a prokaryote? इनमें से कौन सा prokaryote नहीं है? Nostoc, cyanobacteria, it's a prokaryote. Mycobacterium, it belongs to the group Actinomycetes and Monera, it's again a prokaryote. Saccharomyces is yeast. It belongs to Ascomycetes and fungi. So it is a eukaryote. Oscillatoria is again a blue-green algae, belongs to Monera. So इनमें से कौन सा prokaryote नहीं है? The correct option is Saccharomyces. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? NADPH is formed in light reaction, but NADH is formed in, yes, right, respiration process. So the correct answer is option 2. Stomata in the grass leaf. Now grass, tell me whether it's a monocot or it's a dicot. Absolutely right. Grass belongs to the family Poaceae. It's a monocot. So in monocot, the guard cells are dumbbell shaped. Yes, they are bone shaped or dumbbell shaped. Whereas in dicots, the guard cells are kidney shaped. They are bean shaped or kidney shaped. In monocots, they are dumbbell shaped. So the correct option is option number 3. Now the next question for us is question number 41. Offsets are produced by. Offset पहले तो होता क्या है? Offset is a method of vegetative propagation. It is a subaerial category which is found in Pistia eichhornea, that is water plants. अब vegetative propagation मतलब ये sexual reproduction, तो फिर ये किसका result होंगे? ये result होंगे mitotic divisions का. Yes, they are formed as a result of mitosis. So the correct answer is option number 2. The next question is, which of the following pair is wrongly matched? XO type of sex determination is found in grasshopper. It is correct. ABO blood grouping is an example of codominance. We discussed earlier also about ABO blood grouping, where IA and IB alleles, they are codominant. On the RBC surface, there will be presence of both A antigen and B antigen if both of these are present together. That means both of them are expressing themselves independently when they are present together. That means this option is also correct. And we have to select the wrong match. Starch synthesis in P. Yes, it is controlled by a gene B. And B gene also controls the seed shape. That means one gene B controlling the seed shape as well as the starch synthesis. And it is having only 2 alleles. So it is not an example of multiple allelism. It is an example of pleiotropy. Pleiotropy derived from a word called pleion. Pleion means more. A single gene controls more than one character. A single gene shows expression of multiple phenotypes. So it is controlled by a single gene B, but the B gene controls the starch synthesis as well as the seed shape. So this is an example of pleiotropy. I hope you understood what is the difference between multiple alleles and pleiotropy. Multiple alleles, one gene having more than 2 alleles. In pleiotropy, one gene has only 2 alleles, but it controls the expression of more than one character. The fourth option, T.H. Morgan gave the term linkage. Yes, and T.H. Morgan is also credited for the very important discovery, that is the linkage. The whole mechanism of linkage is credited to Morgan. That means, which is the incorrect one? Option number 3. So the correct answer is third option. Which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? What are these flowers called? What are these plants called? They are known as monocarpic plants. Mono, single, carpic, flowering. So out of these, monocarpic is bamboo. Majority of the bamboo species, Bambusa, they live vegetatively for 50 to 100 years. After living for 50 to 100 years, they fruit abundantly and then they die. Rest all of them, jackfruit, mango and papaya, they are polycarpic. That means they keep on flowering and fruiting at regular intervals in their lives. They are perennial, they live for many years. But bamboo is an exception. It's a perennial plant. It lives for many years, but it shows flowering and fruiting only once in its lifetime. So the correct answer is option number 3.